Connally Memorial Medical Center is a 44-bed hospital about 30 miles outside of San Antonio. We have had the focus of not only serving as Floresville's hospital here, but growing our services to encompass all of Wilson County.
Connally has a passion for serving the local community with excellent health care. They're reaching out not only in their local area, but also throughout the county. They're keeping people involved and keeping people local by broadening beyond just their immediate facility.
Back in late 2013, we were seeing that our local IT infrastructure here was not particularly strong. We were having regular challenges with our wireless network, with our computer systems, and I knew that the stability of the system could be much stronger. Simultaneously, we were facing a big deadline to make sure that we were compliant with the Phase 2 meaningful use requirements. So at that time, I knew I needed some additional resources, and I reached out to ICE Technologies to see if they were interested in helping us here in Texas.
So when we first arrived at Connally, what we typically see in a lot of clients is that the network was really kind of problem prone. A lot of different issues with stability of the network, a lot of unplanned downtime, a lot of outages. Things just weren't working well. Performance of the network was not where we typically like it to be.
What was going on here at that time is that we were very, very reactionary to the IT issues of the day. Operational instability was happening day after day after day, and it was limiting our ability to do good long-term thinking, but also some project work to accomplish some of our financial goals like Phase 2 meaningful use.
So we knew right away we needed to stabilize the network, do some things right away to fix some of the major issues they were having, and then start to move the staff toward being more proactive than reactive.
They came in with a great plan. They came in with great skill and sophistication to their approach, and they were able, number one, to accomplish that Phase 2 meaningful use project, but also, more importantly, stabilize our operations and begin some long-term planning for our IT department.
They have been proactive in developing a solid IT foundation that has allowed them to expand their reach out into the community, out into the county, putting systems in place that have allowed them to incorporate these county clinics into their organization and into the healthcare infrastructure that they're providing for their patients.
You know, one of the things about ICE Technologies is they were not just responding to the needs that I was educated to ask for. They were bringing some of their own solutions.
The overall goal from an ICE perspective is technology is just a tool that can be used by the staff at the hospital to improve and enhance patient care. So we were able to stabilize the infrastructure, enhance it. So really what we did is made IT invisible to the user. And when we're in a hospital, a healthcare setting, that user is the physician, the clinician at the patient's bedside. Those that are interacting with the patient and providing their patient care.
After we got the day-to-day issues dealt with, they've helped us on and on to be focused on where technology is going. And each element of technology foundation that they have built has been designed to say, well, the future's not here yet, but it's getting here, and this foundation will help us in the future.
Connally has recognized that through the use of technology, they're seeing an improvement in patient outcomes, they're seeing an improvement in patient engagement, and have continued to use this success to improve on their quality measures, to meet and exceed those requirements, and to develop new quality measure standards that they're pushing themselves to achieve.
What is happening here at Connally is our organization is evolving rapidly. We've gone from being the traditional hospital to being more of a small rural health system that has clinics, physician clinics associated with our organization. As we look to the future, we don't have to reinvent that wheel. ICE Technologies has helped us build a system that can be replicated over and over. And that's really exciting from my standpoint as we continue to grow.
Through the partnership with ICE Technologies, Connally has been able to utilize the solid IT foundation to attract and retain quality physicians, nurses, and clinicians who are able to then provide better care and enhanced services to their patients and the surrounding community. Having this IT foundation in place has helped them to not only survive, but to thrive.